I hope that clients kind of feel that same way in how we take care of them and work with them, because we truly appreciate like the tight relationships that we have with everybody.
Weekends are busy, but it's like a good busy. So we're just trying to constantly, I feel like, be outside, be outdoors, like do anything. Like we don't get to do a lot, but when we do, it's kind of like, let's try to go on a trip.
One of the things, especially within like the insurance space, right? Like you're very relatable and you can really speak to the importance of it, especially with families, because hi everybody, welcome back. This is Maven Money Talks, and we're here for Meet Your Maven, and we're with Nicole Astorga, our insurance consultant, and we're excited to get to know you better, because the goal of this is for clients, future clients, to get to know the team a little bit better professionally and personally. And so I appreciate you taking the time to come out and do this today.
Definitely.
So welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm excited.
So tell us just a little bit about yourself, like background, where you're from, kind of the basics. Who's Nicole?
Okay. I'm Nicole. I'm a wife. I'm a mom of 3. I kind of came out of like a 10-year gap of staying at home, being with my family, taking care of my kids, and came into this perfect role here. And it's just been great. Like I'm super thankful and grateful for this role and like where we are. So
well, we're grateful for you because you help us a ton in terms of support and everything that you do for us and our clients and all of that. So are you originally from Southern California? Tell us a little bit about your background, where you went to school.
So yes, from Southern California, born and raised here. Went to school in Orange, went to Cal State Fullerton, got my teaching credential there, didn't really use it. And then kind of I had a job since then in a construction company, got married, had my first kid, and was like, well, I think this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna stay at home. And then I had the other 2, and we just kind of made things work that way. And I've just been staying home with them. Stayed in here, stayed in Fullerton now, stay there for a long time.
Yeah.
And no real plans of moving. I mean, who knows? We'll see what happens.
I mean, you guys moved in Fullerton from like one street down to the
literally
down a few blocks down. Needed a little more space.
Yeah, a little bit bigger than a 720 square foot house.
But that house was amazing. I mean when we had like Zoe's birthday party right there. And so if you can't tell, we go, way back. We've been such good friends for a long time. And I think that's one of the cool things about, Maven Group is it really, feels like a family because we're working all together. And we've been together, seeing our kids grow up, having kids together. So I hope that clients kind of feel that same way in how we take care of them and work with them, because we truly appreciate like the tight relationships that we have with everybody. So
100%. Yeah. I feel like that's kind of like I was just talking to Hannah about it earlier. I was like, I feel like our clients are, like, I enjoy our clients. Like, they're so nice, like, having conversations with them, like, I don't know. And then, like, our team, like, it's really can't get any better than this. Like, best workspace ever.
We love it. We love it. Good. So tell us a little bit about your role. And, obviously you started helping me out right after I started Maven, which I am so appreciative of, and doing a lot of administrative work, and then, transitioning to your role now in insurance. So just give us a little background on, what you've got going on.
Yeah, well, basically started off just trying to help out a new up and comer too. And it was just like perfect opportunity to just kind of dip my feet in, and like get back into working. And it worked out perfect, especially like helping out with you. And it was just us 2 in that tiny shoebox office. And it was fun. And then COVID hit, and then we stayed home. And we kind of just been staying home. And then we were like, okay, let's think of something else. And instead of just doing administrative, like let's do life insurance. And I feel like that kind of just opened up a whole different like world for me, something that I never would have really thought of doing. And doing it now, it's like, okay, like I really enjoy it. I love basically like the values that go behind it. It's like you're helping people just like their future selves and their families. It's like who doesn't want to do that?
Right.
So I love that. And then I'm also just kind of thinking like, you know, maybe this isn't just it. Like there could be more, you know, getting like the securities licensing or even like helping out with like retirement or anything in that, you know, scope of work, I feel like would be interesting and fun and new and all the things.
Doors always open and like, there's plenty of room for growth. And I think that one of the things, especially within like the insurance space, right? Like you're very relatable and you can really speak to the importance of it, especially with families, because we both have kids and, you know, we both, you know, it would be a big overall detriment to a household if something were to happen. So it's a matter of like being able to relate to people and speak to them about like, hey, why is this important? Nobody really is like, oh, I love life insurance, but it's so important to have. And so I think that's something that you do really well, is just kind of speaking through personal experiences and, you know, relating to those people that are trying to decide, hey, do I need it? How much do I need? What do I need to consider? And obviously having a background as a teacher, you take the time to make sure that people are educated on, you know, what's the right type of insurance for you. So I think it's been a great fit for you.
I do. Like it was definitely a different world, different language, different everything, but it was just like all came down to just like, well, it really is important to have. Like it's something that families need to think about, and it's like you want to take care of your families. I want to take care of my family. So it's just, it really is all relatable. So I love it. I've enjoyed it.
Good. So we love having you as our insurance specialist on the team, but tell everybody a little bit about you outside of work and, you know, what you enjoy doing. And I know your kids are busy with sports and dance and all that good stuff.
We're doing all the things. I feel like, we're kind of just like, we're in that moment. Like the kids are in sports, they're in dance. Weekends are busy, but it's like a good busy. So we're just trying to constantly, I feel like, be outside, be outdoors, like do anything. Like we don't get to do a lot, but when we do, it's kind of like, let's try to go on a trip. Let's go camping. Let's do, I don't know, go to the beach for a day. We got some e-bikes, so those are super fun. We've been like riding those around. We just want to be outdoors. I think it's just basically like making memories with the kids. I feel like that's like our main thing. It's like, okay, what else can we do to just, you know, these days go by so fast, and it's like just to enjoy every single one. Sometimes like I hear Jordy's voice and I'm like, okay, how do I keep this voice forever? And as soon as I'm ready to like take a video, like him and Olivia will start doing something and I'm like, oh, okay, that's not what I wanted. I wanted that really sweet little voice that you just said 2 seconds ago. So or like looking back at old videos, just go down that rabbit hole, like, oh gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Hard. But that's kind of, it's it. Like just being with family. I feel like family and even like our friends, like planning trips with you guys, like, you know, just doing those big family friend trips, like having the kids grow up together. It's awesome.
No, it's amazing because our kids, I mean, they see each other every now and then. It's not a ton, but it's not like they go to school together. But when they see each other, it's like pick up right from where they left off, because they've literally all grown up together.
Really have.
So it is really cool to just see that, right?
Yeah,
so
definitely.
So awesome. And then anything special that you like to do on your own when you have free time, which I know doesn't exist for too long. Usually when you have free time, you call me, you're like, hey, Paolo, anything you want me to be working on? Anything?
Weird.
But outside of that,
I really I've gotten into like kind of working out more, like the Peloton bike. That's super fun. I like that. Being outside, I would love to garden. It's something I would love to do, but you know, maybe when I'm like older and have more free time. Just kind of being outdoors. Like, I don't.
We live in Southern California, so I think that's
great.
The whole
like
point,
I just want to kind of go be more active. I feel like I've gotten to that point in my life where it's like, okay, like if I have time or wake up and make time to do something active, because I feel like it makes me like mentally feel better too.
100%.
So it does help me a lot. Yeah.
Cool. Well, I appreciate you taking the time to hang out with us today and allowing everybody to get to know you better. So, you know, continue watching, meet the rest of the team. Thanks for spending some time with us, and hope everybody has a wonderful day.
Thank you.